What's going on, Manny? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a look at your website, see what's going on, see what we can do. So, just pulling up MKS renovations. I love the header. Only comment I would have is logo behind MKS renovations. People like that. A drop-down menu for all the services you do, as well as, the Let's Talk is awesome. We want that because quick conversions to call. We want people just clicking and calling us. So as we scroll through, we got MKS renovations, which is really nice. Services. Now this link to your all services is great. What you want to do is actually have all your services on the home page as well. So you got interior, exterior. You don't need to label them as is. So that's something I would definitely remove. Having them as bullet points is fine. You're definitely going to want to make it more of a paragraph, like just as like sentences instead of it, being like very formal as is. So more of a read through, and you're going to want to do that for all. Now that takes care of two things, which I'm going to come back to in a second. But just scrolling through, schedule free quote, excellent. You want those throughout your website. You definitely want your phone number as click to call, no matter where it is, so that people can just click and it automatically calls. Instead of them typing it in. People, however much we can take away from people having work to do, is what we want to accomplish. So, if it's even if it's as simple as that click to call button. Now, we something Google really wants is 2,000 words of content on your front page, anywhere from 15 to 2,000, right? So that's where making these into paragraphs is extremely important because the more content you have, the better off your website will do. So let's take a look at, kind of the back end over here. So there is zero data on your website, which makes me think two things. Either there's really no keywords in there, or there's no, like there really is nothing, backing you up, or it's a brand new website and you just haven't started ranking for it. Now, if that's the case, that's good. Maybe maybe in like 2 to 4 weeks, you should start seeing something. But let's just go through it very quickly, right? So you have a UR rating, which is how strong your website is, and a DR rating, which is how strong, Google trusts you. Now you want those to be in the 30s with a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, how do you get those up? You need backlinks. A backlink is everywhere you have your website out. So a link to your website. Now, obviously, a referring domain is also what we're looking for, which is how many of those backlinks come back to you. Now, not all of them are created equal. Some are stronger than others. So we don't want any of them that are spammy, like a Reddit page, but ones that are very, authoritative will help your website rating out. Other thing we want is organic keywords. So things that people are searching for in the area that will lead to you. For example, let's take a look at this. Painters, Dallas, Texas is a very generic thing people are searching for. It lets me know I'm looking for a painter in Dallas, right? So right off the bat, we got all these, ads for Google Guaranteed. We got more ads over here, and then we have obviously another ad. But then this is your generic, your Google Map pack. It's where people can find a location if they would like. Now, statistics show 30 to 40% of everyone will click on one of these top three people. So it's very important to get here as well. Um, After that, we got our generic search. So this is where people rank. Now, first things first is we got a couple of directories here. We got Yelp, Hughes, Home Advisor. There are plenty of people who will click on the first thing they see. Most people, however, don't like directories. They want to go to somebody just straight up, like Big Als Painting. So let's take a look and see what they got. So they got a header, they got a name, they got click to call, free estimate. A lot of keywords. Big Al's painting of Dallas, Texas. We don't care about that, Big Al's, because it's a name, but they got a lot of these keywords of exterior painting, interior, residential, and all that. The only thing that they're missing is having their a location next to it. But otherwise, those keywords are extremely good. So Dallas, Texas, house painting, that's an excellent keyword there. Interior house painters in Dallas, Texas, excellent keyword. So as you can see, they have a ton of content, which is actually going to help them out. And all of these are links to those other pages, but exterior house painters in Dallas. So they have a lot of keywords throughout. They have a lot of content in here, which is helping them rank higher. That's why they're number, I think, 5 for this search. Only thing they don't need, honestly, is like accolades coming back to them. But they have their number throughout as well. And then a map. I don't know. Like, I get like having that, but sure. It's interactive. It's nice. Overall, strong website. Let's take a look at what they're doing in the back end. So they have a trust rating of 17, a strength rating of 17 for their website, and then a trust rating of 2.9. which means that they got some spammy backlinks over here. Otherwise, Google would trust them more. So they have 540 of those and 103 referring back to them. Like I said, not all are equal. So that's probably why they don't have a high rating here. But they also have 314 keywords that are helping them boost to about 533 people a month coming to their website. So let's take a look at those keywords. So right off the bat, we got Painters Dallas, which is bringing in 400 people a month searching just for that. He's bringing in 36 of those people because he's in the 4th position on Google. So the position is for him mostly on page 1, which is, and he got there because of his rank, which is his backlinks. And then he's taking advantage of these keywords, which are volume. So we got Dallas house painters for 500 people searching that per month, and he's getting in 24 of them. So I don't know, what is that, 116? And because he's in position number 7. So all of these keywords, which are bringing in, which are proving to be a volume of 500 for this, 500 for that, and he's bringing in the traffic because his position through backlinks is getting him to page number 7. So how does this help you out, Manny? Oops, I keep on, kind of saving everything or going over and creating that, the blue links, whatever it is for copying. So anyway, back to it. How do we help you get better? All we honestly got to is we got to increase our backlinks. We want more than the opposition, of course, and then obviously we want good, strong referring domains. And all we have to do, honestly, is just look at your competition, take their referring domains that are strong, and give it over to you. And then obviously we need 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page with those strong buyer intent keywords. We add all that together, those 3 steps, and you have the ability to become a rank number 1. Even if not, right, and we're only getting 250 people through your website through organic traffic, what can that do for you, Benny? That's all I got. If you have any questions, obviously, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, please, leave me some feedback. Like I said, I'm always looking to do better. You have a great day.